Hi class, welcome to week 3. I'm sorry, we just completed week 2. Great week last week. We set some more goals, your academic goals. We had some great academic goals submitted. We talked about financial literacy and you guys created a budget. Awesome budgets coming in and summaries. So, great week overall. I want to remind you, if you didn't have an opportunity to complete your assignments, that you can still complete them. I encourage you to do that because every point counts, and you will hear me say that in this course a lot. Professional Strategies is designed to get new college students acclimated to the online learning environment. And what that means is the assignments are built to help you navigate through our learning management system, which we call the LMS, to help you start transitioning your thinking from wherever you come from, either high school or the working environment, to actually entering into college. So some of the assignments for some of you may seem very rudimentary or very easy, but they're really to just get you to understand how to work the LMS, understand what going to college means. And it's going to take work and it's going to take commitment and dedication. And so it's bringing those thoughts to the forefront of your mind and having you transition your mind from, oh, I can just watch TV today, to, oh, you know what, I better go do a little studying right now. Or just transitioning your mind to plan more, since you've added a very important criteria to your schedule, which is college. So, with that said, I know that some of you might think that this is really easy, and then some of you might think, I just don't have time to do this. Well, this is the class to help you figure out your time. This is the class to help you figure out how to navigate through the LMS. This is your class to help you figure out what college is going to look like for you. So I want you to make sure that you go in and you complete every assignment. It's really difficult to fail this class if you do every assignment. So with that said, if you're missing any assignments, go in and complete them, submit them, okay? Now, discussion boards, anything done in week 1 and week 2, you can't go back and do. But any assignments, you can go in and submit them. The sooner the better, because there's 10% late penalties applied to each assignment for each week. So the sooner you get it in, the less points that'll be taken off. Now, with that being said, this week is our midterm week, right? This is week 3. So on Thursday, I will be sending out midterm grades. I want you guys to go ahead and submit anything that's missing so that your midterm grade reflects everything that we've done up to this point, okay? So if you have anything missing, submit it by Thursday, and your midterm grade will reflect an accurate grade of your time in class. Now, let's move to week 3. Week 3, we're talking about study skills. I've jumped into the discussion board today for week 3, and you guys are burning it up. Good job. You guys are talking about your study skills. You're analyzing where you are. You're doing some self-reflection on where you are with your study skills. Many of you say, oh, I'm fair, and I can do this to improve my study habits. That's good. That's what we want you to do. We want you to identify where you are academically, where you are as far as studying. And then since you've identified your weaknesses, we want you to apply some of the strategies that we're giving you in this class. For instance, time management, reading skills, goal setting, right? You want to apply all of those skills to the places that you're weak in. So a lot of you say, I procrastinate. Well, time management helps you not to procrastinate. If you have a schedule and you stick to the schedule, you follow the schedule, then you won't be procrastinating. I posted a good video in announcements this week about procrastination. You guys might want to watch that. Okay. So then after you complete the discussion and you talk about your study habits and where you are in those things, we have, I believe, 2 assignments this week. The first one is talking about note taking. How do you take notes? What methodology do you use? We talk about different kinds of methodology in this week's reading and lessons. So you choose a methodology that works for you and submit that template as well as a summary of what you use and why it works for you. Okay. Then in assignment 3.2, you're going to actually submit a schedule, a time management plan. Many of you talked about you need a time management plan or you need a schedule. Well, here's your opportunity to develop one that will work for you, including your work time, your study time, your personal time, family time, whatever you want to call it. You can get creative. You can make your own schedule. You can write a paragraph about how your schedule is. There are fun templates out there. Many of you found some fun templates for your budget. You can find some fun templates for your time management plan and create a schedule. Make it fun because you have to follow this and then submit that schedule. After you look at your time, think about what you could do differently. Look at it and really analyze it and see, am I really utilizing all of my free time? Am I really using my time wisely? Think about those things as you create this schedule. If you have any questions or any concerns, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm available via text, phone, email. Just contact me. Also, that Remind app, if any of you, most of you are on there, just contact me and let me know. All right. Have a great week. Thanks, guys.